This is Cyndy G, and in this video, we're assembling the flower truck card. This one is an A7, so it's a 5x7 card. And I have the pieces laid out. I'm going to go ahead with this one. I'm going to start with the insert because I have assembled the flowers on the outside part. And I want you to see how to assemble the flowers. So in this one, the flowers middle and back are connected, okay? The greens are connected. So we're just going to put our pails on. And when you look at your cluster of yellow flowers, you have two small ones and then one that it looks a little bigger. And that's the one that you are adding. And then just line that up in here on the card, on the flower bouquet. Do the same thing with your tulips. And then just line those right up. Okay, so that's your insert. Now that we have it finished, we can set it aside. And let's work. There, those are the pieces for the front. And then front, and these are for the back. So the first thing that I want to do is put my card together. Okay. I'm only going to put together one side. Make sure all of my wheels are touching the floor. Okay. There we are. Okay. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and start with the grill. This goes here on this side part. And then we have this side grill like this. So you want to put this on before you put this trim piece on. You're just going to line it right up to the edge of the card like that. Okay. Now this piece goes, it covers this like tab on it. Okay. And lines up right like that. And again, I'm feeling like I need to ink this a little. That better. Doesn't look so flat now. Okay. So I'm going to head and apply my glue here. Now let's take a look at some of these other, I've put some of these together, like I've applied the silver to the back for the door handle. Okay, so we're going to take this, and it fits right in the crook right here. It fits it, it's right where it goes, right there. Okay, just like that. Oh, this, if you want to use it, is your headlight. No, I don't think I want to put that on. Oh, here it is. So we have the windshield, and you want to try to just leave a little bit of border on both sides of it. The the side window, and then the back glass you want to line up right up against the edge. I want to turn around, see, nope, it does go this way. There, okay. And now the wheels. Now, you do want to make sure that you are not going past that bottom edge, okay? Because then your card will be wonky and it won't stand up right. Okay. Now, this one is too big. I lost the piece that goes there, so I'm going to recut it because I had a little piece that I kind of trimmed myself. And it is a small one that goes there. But now we're going to take our card and flip it over. Okay. We're going to work on the inside of this. I'm going to put the two sides on first and then the purple in the center. Okay, before you put your flowers on, you need to put your pole to your umbrella. Not very much of it shows, but I didn't want it left out. Okay, and there it is. Now I have already put the trim on my umbrella, and I'm going to use foam tape. Okay, now we're going to stand up the card and bring our insert in, put glue on the tab, lay it down, put it in there, nice and neat. Make sure everybody's feet are on the floor. Now, this time our side is over here. So I'm going to put glue on the tab. I'm going to leave this side down flat. I'm going to fold this over to grab that tab. I'm going to go ahead and close this up. I'm going to put glue on this tab. Bring this on over and close up this card. Fold it both ways. You want to train your card. I always make sure I do this because you never know which way your recipient's going to open it. And then there is your flower truck. Thank you for joining me.